Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and this is another video of merging columns from more than two tables. In the previous video, we explained how to merge columns from two different tables using Power Query. In this example, we have three different sheets. The first sheet have country name and corresponding capital. Second sheet have country name and corresponding currency, and the third sheet have country name and corresponding president name. First, convert all the three tables into Excel tables. So select any cell in the data and press Ctrl T, click OK. The data is converted into Excel table. Now follow the same steps for other two sheets. Now to load the data into Power Query, activate the first sheet capital and go to Data tab, and under Get in Transform Data Group, select From Table Range option. The data will load into Power Query Editor. Now in Home tab, select Close and Load to option. Now in Import Data dialog, select Only Create Connection and click OK. It will create a query in Queries and Connection window. Now similarly, create the connections for other two tables. So follow the same steps. Now we have three different queries for each table. In Power Query, we can merge two tables at a time. So first, we merge data of capital and currency table. So open capital sheet, go to Data tab and click on drop down next to Get Data. Select Combine Queries and select Merge option. Now in Merge window, select the first table, which is capital, and select the second table, which is currency table. Now select the column which is common in both the table. So in this example, country is the common column. Don't make any change in the join kind drop down. Click OK and it will open a new table in the Power Query Editor. Click on Filter button in the last column and uncheck all fields except currency. Click OK. Now the table is showing both capital and the currency column. Under Home tab, click on Close and Load option. It will create a new query and a new sheet having both capital and the currency field. Now to merge president data, in this merged table, go to Data tab and click on drop down next to Get Data. Select Combine Queries and select Merge option. Merge one is showing in the first drop down. In second drop down, select the third table, which is President table. Now select the common column, which is country in both the tables. Don't make any changes in the join kind drop down. Click OK. The updated table is open in the Power Query Editor. Click on Filter button in the last column and uncheck all fields except President. Click OK. Fourth column is showing the President data. Click on Close and Load option. A new sheet is created with all the data from three different tables. So in this way, you can merge more than two tables in Power Query. If you like the video, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.